Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Anaconda is a popular distribution of the Python programming language, which includes a wide range of pre-installed packages and tools for data science, machine learning, and scientific computing. In this tutorial, we'll explore what Anaconda Python is, how to install it, and how to use it effectively. Anaconda is a free and open source distribution of Python and R programming languages used for data science and machine learning tasks. It includes a package manager, environment manager, and numerous pre-installed libraries and tools that are commonly used in data science projects. Anaconda simplifies package management and deployment by providing a comprehensive ecosystem of tools and libraries. To install Anaconda Python, follow these steps. Download Anaconda. Visit the Anaconda website and download the appropriate installer for your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Run the installer. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the instructions provided by the installation wizard. Select installation options. During the installation process, you may choose to install Anaconda for a single user or all users on the system. You can also select the installation directory and whether you want Anaconda to be added to your system path. Complete installation. After selecting the desired options, proceed with the installation. Once the installation is complete, Anaconda will be ready to use on your system. Anaconda Navigator is a graphical user interface, GUI, included with Anaconda that allows you to manage packages, environments, and projects easily. To launch Anaconda Navigator. Conda is a package manager included with Anaconda that simplifies the process of installing, updating, and managing packages and environments. To install a package using Conda, open a terminal or command prompt and use the following command. Replace package_name with the name of the package you want to install. To create a new Conda environment, replace myenv with the name of your environment. To activate the environment. To deactivate the environment. Jupyter Notebooks are a popular tool for interactive computing and data analysis. Anaconda includes Jupyter Notebooks by default, allowing you to create and share documents that contain live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. To launch Jupyter Notebook, open Anaconda Navigator and click on the Jupyter Notebook icon. This will open a new browser window with the Jupyter Notebook interface. Spyder is an integrated development environment, IDE, included with Anaconda, designed specifically for scientific computing and data analysis. It provides features such as a code editor, interactive console, variable explorer, and integrated help system. To launch Spyder, open Anaconda Navigator and click on the Spyder icon. This will open the Spyder IDE where you can create and edit Python scripts for data analysis and machine learning tasks. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of Anaconda Python, including what it is, how to install it, and how to use it effectively for data science and machine learning projects. With Anaconda, you have access to a comprehensive set of tools and libraries that streamline the development and deployment of data-driven applications. Experiment with different packages and environments to discover the full potential of Anaconda for your projects. ChatGPT.